This video is going to be the ultimate guide to all of the best hair care products that you absolutely need in your routine. Hi guys, what's up, it's Bella. Welcome to my channel. I try out so many hair products and I have really grown my hair over the past year and a half, and it's thick, it's luscious, it's soft, and it's all natural. And boy oh boy do I have some amazing products that actually work and they're worth the investment. Everything that I talk about is linked down below for you guys to shop as always, and I am so excited. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go in order on how I would wash my hair. So I always start with a pre-wash shampoo. My favorite is by Ouai. It's the detox shampoo, and I actually just ran out. I've been using the Ouai detox shampoo for over 2 years, and I use it every other wash, and it literally just removes all of the buildup of product in your scalp. It has apple cider vinegar, so it doesn't strip your scalp, and also has keratin, so it makes your hair really shiny and really soft. I feel like every time I use it, it's like a reset for my scalp, and it just makes my hair last longer, and it's not as oily like when I wash it. I always use a scalp massager, and this is my favorite one. It's from L'Occitane. I've tried so many. I really like this one because it is wood/bamboo, so it's really hefty, and I always find like these spikes on a lot of other ones are a little flimsy and they don't actually like exfoliate my scalp. These ones are hard enough to give yourself a really good scrub. I do pair this with my detox shampoo, and I just feel like it's an extra step that actually works and makes my hair so much better. It stimulates blood flow, which is always good for having new hair follicle growth, and also increases product absorption, so you're really able to get like the most out of your product. Moving on to shampoos, I have two that I switch out between right now. This is the Bondi Boost HG shampoo. Now I don't really ever use a pre-oil hair wash anymore because I just feel like it's a step that I don't need, although I know it works for a lot of people. But the Bondi Boost shampoo has a lot of things that you would use in a pre-oil or a pre-wash hair oil. So it's got peppermint and rosemary, which obviously helps the hair growth. I noticed a difference using the shampoo in one time because it really just helped make my scalp feel like it doesn't have a lot of product on it. But the rosemary in here really like opens your scalp and your follicles. It just feels so good. Like my head feels like so cold after I use this stuff. It really does help with the healthiness of your hair, and it gives you new hair growth. And then of course you guys know I'm a Kerastase lover, so this is the Genesis line. It's for the normal to oily hair. The whole Genesis line is just a good daily shampoo. It's very hydrating. It helps your scalp. It also strengthens your hair too, so I feel like I don't have as much hair fallout because my hair is more strong and it just feels like it's not as frail anymore. And again, I switch up between Kerastase Genesis and the Bondi Boost because you want to make sure you switch up your shampoo so your scalp doesn't get used to it, because that has happened to me so many times. I've used like a shampoo for so long and I was like, wait, I need to switch it up. Kerastase is expensive, but with the Sephora sale coming up, you can definitely get that, you know, discount off depending on your tier with Sephora, and it's completely worth it. I have the jumbo sizes. I've had this one for 2 months and I've used it constantly, and I have a thick full head of hair and I haven't really made the biggest dent in it either. So cannot recommend this shampoo and also the Bondi Boost one enough. I kid you not, like this will be your best bet for strong, thick, beautiful, luscious hair that is just growing constantly. Moving on to mask, of course we have to use the Kerastase Genesis mask. I love this one so much. It's really just everything that is in the Genesis shampoo and conditioner, but it's extra strength and it really makes the ends of your hair so soft. I apply this mid to end. It really is an intense nourishment and it really provides so much shine to your hair, and I use this one every other wash because when I don't use my whole Kerastase line, I always use my Gissu mask with my Bondi Boost shampoo and conditioner. I recently picked this up and I used it once and I was like, oh my gosh, like where has this been? Why didn't they come out with this sooner? Not only is the packaging just so cute and it's literally a honey pot, the product actually works and it makes your hair so glossy, but it also doesn't weigh it down and add like an oily feel to your hair. And that's been such a hard thing for me to find within like a good thick hair mask. I used to use the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair one, but honestly it just started weighing down my hair. My hair would be oily like literally after washing it, and it just was not good for me. I'm reading from the website so I don't mess this up, but it has biometric ceramides which repair and strengthen damaged hair, low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid which boosts hydration and also locks in the moisture, and it's got some sort of special honey, and then a bee garden oil which gives a really glossy shine and nourishes very quickly. Seriously, run don't walk. These are the best hair masks that I've ever found on the market. I always use a leave-in conditioner after I get out of the shower because again, I like for my hair to be detangled, and also when you take a brush through your hair, it's just so important. I only use a boar bristle brush. This one's from Amazon. It's really not that expensive, and I get a new one like every 6 to 8 months just because I like to have a new one. It gets dirty, although I clean it. I just like to have a new hairbrush. A boar bristle hairbrush just takes all of the oil that is in your hair and lightly distributes it throughout like the ends. It takes it from the scalp and it distributes it, and it literally just makes your hair so shiny and and so soft and it doesn't pull on your hair. I definitely have less hair fall ever since I started using a boar bristle brush, and I've been using it for like 3 or 4 years now. All right, now back into the leave-in conditioners. This one is the Nutritive, I think, one from Kerastase, and it's a beautifying detangling blowout mist. I use this when I am going to blow out my hair. Sometimes I leave it natural after I wash it, but I do always go in with this one. It's the Genesis one. I use this when my hair is wet right out of the shower, and then I brush through it. This one is just so good. So it's, again, the same Genesis line. It's going to strengthen, it's going to repair, it's going to add a lot of shine, and it's also heat protectant too. So both of these are amazing. I do mix both of them, although I'm sure I probably don't need both. I really like having them. But I would find on the Sephora website which one is better for your hair, because you probably don't need both of these. I always go in with the oil. I used to use the Moroccan oil one all the time, but my hair just got so used to it. Although I love the smell, the Kerastase one is the best one. It is just the best oil. When I tell you this is like literally phenomenal, it is worth the hype. It's worth all of the money. I'm genuinely so obsessed with it. It enhances your shine, and it's a nice thick oil. Again, it does not weigh down your hair. I've had this bottle for so long and it has literally lasted me, so I think all I need is like a refill on it. Seriously, cannot recommend it enough. I kid you not, anything from Kerastase is the best, and they don't even send me PR. Like, I don't even work with them, and I just am a die-hard fan. You have to get this oil. I do have a nighttime hair care routine. I always go in with the 8-Hour Magic Serum. This strengthens your hair, and so many people have said after one use they're like shocked at how good it is. It has plant-based proteins. It's highly nourishing. It's a little bit thick, but honestly, I use 2 pumps and I put it on the mid to ends of my hair, and I've noticed a huge difference with the shininess of my hair. And also, I don't have as many split ends since using this. It's literally a magic serum. Like, run, don't walk. It's worth the price. It's worth the penny. Go get it. And then this one right here, it's a fortifying serum, and I use this in my scalp. I've been putting it on my hairline, and I have so much new hair growth. I really want to have like the hairline when you put it up in a high pony, like it's just like straight hair, like you don't see any white patches. And right now I do have a few, and of course that's just like the way my hair goes, and a lot of people have it, but I'm trying to fill it in, okay? And this is definitely a pretty penny, of course, again, but this is just like the best. So many people stand by this product, and it does give you insane hair growth. Like, this is the product for hair growth in my opinion. Slip hair ties, I know it might sound crazy, but these really help your hair with less breakage when you have them in a high ponytail or any type of ponytail. It's made out of pure silk. I have the biggest ones that I sleep in, and then I wear these throughout the day, and these have definitely helped my hair become more soft, and I don't have as much hair breakage on that middle part, which is about right here when I put it up and I put the regular hair tie in. These are just the best. Definitely an investment again, but it's your hair, and your hair is important. Last but not least, we have my favorite dry shampoo. I have tried so many, and I have really dark hair, so I have to be careful of a white cast on my head. This is probably my 5th or 6th big bottle, and I have a bunch of the minis that I travel with, but it's by K18. It kind of goes on wet, so you want to spray it about 6 inches away from your head. I let it sit for about 30 seconds, and then I zhuzh it in. And I kid you not, I can go an extra 3 days without washing my hair, and I have an oily scalp, and I go an extra 3 days. Like, this stuff is crazy. And for reference, I only wash my hair once a week, so this stuff literally is magic in a bottle. I'm reading a little bit about it so I can give you guys the full tea, but it's a biotechnology to deliver a high performance clean without excess buildup, white cast, or heavy fragrance, and it's 100% all of that. Like, their claims are legit. Lasts up to 3 days with your hair wash. So I stand by this thing. I've bought so many of these, and I kid you not, it is literally the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was informational. I am so passionate about all the products that I use, because none of these are a waste of money, and you're really going to have the best looking hair if you use these products. Although there's so many other ones on the market, and I'm sure there's good drugstore ones too. I just only have really a lot from Sephora because I'm a Sephora addict, and all y'all know this with all the hauls that I always post. But seriously, I've tried so many things, and I'm really happy to share my hair care products with you guys. I definitely want to do an in-depth routine, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. I did post a little bit in my Sunday reset that I did a few weeks ago, but I can definitely do a step-by-step because I feel like that will be so helpful for so many people, and your hair is important. It provides a lot of confidence for you, and I really just want all women to just like be obsessed with their hair, and there's just nothing better than shiny, sleek, thick hair. If you guys have any questions about any of the products, let me know down below. I'm always here to help and to chat, but I love you guys so much. My quote of the day is to continue to take care of yourself, because you are the best investment. That has nothing to do with hair or anything like that. It has everything to do with health. Take care of yourself, feed yourself the right things, work out, move your body, because it is a privilege to have a good body and good health. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye guys.